Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make udon noodles. Very simple recipe, very quick. Let's see how to make them. First of all, place in a bowl plain flour, add the strong flour, the salt and the water. And start to knead until you will get a smooth dough. Once you got your smooth dough, just place it inside a container and leave it to rest for 45 minutes. Just cover it with cling film, then dust a surface with a bit of corn flour. Remove the cling film and get your dough and just place it on the corn flour. Then start to spread it using a rolling pin until it is about 3 millimeters thick. Try to give a kind of a rectangular shape to the dough, so it's gonna be easier when you're gonna cut it. There we go. This is the kind of thickness that you want, about 3 millimeters. At this point, you can fold it a couple of times, like this, and you can start to cut the dough and get your noodles. Then when you cut them, just place them inside a nice container. At this point, they are ready to be cooked. Then place a big pan with water inside and bring it to boil. When the water is boiling, you can put inside your udon noodles. They're gonna double in size. Just leave them there to cook for about 10-12 minutes. Don't stir them immediately. We will stir them in about 5 minutes. Once ready, you can just drain them. Cool them down with loads of fresh water until they are completely cold. Your udon noodles are ready to be used as you prefer. One of the next recipes is going to be a recipe that is going to show you how to actually cook them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel. I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much for me.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.